CarStory research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, loaded with features, and a fair price. Features also include steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor, ventilated seats. Come test drive the 2017 Niro. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, premium sound system, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.